Everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I hope you're all having a great day because today I'm going to show you guys how to actually use the Facebook pixel on your affiliate funnel. So we're going to be focusing on the free website funnel for this because it does have the ability for me to ignite and also have an event. And what I say by ignite, I mean when you use the Facebook pixel, they give you the initial code to put in your site to kind of ignite the pixel so that when someone visits that page, we're like, oh, someone is here. And then the event will go on the second area, or they'll be like, oh, they are my lead. So that's what we're going to be able to do with this setting. I'm going to go to my Facebook pixel area. You would find this in your events manager from your Facebook account. And we're going to set up a pixel. Now we're going to manually add a pixel code to the website. And as you can see here, this is the code. This is all I really need. This is going to detect the page view and it's going to ignite the initial code. I'm going to copy this entire pixel code and we're going to go here and we're going to paste it in this area. We have to click edit in order to be able to edit that. And then I'm just going to paste the script in this area. We're going to save and it's going to refresh everything and apply that initial setting. If I go back down to the free, you can see that it has been inserted. Once that is done, we're going to just click continue. So what I'm going to do here is actually use the add event code manually, and there are a number of events that we can do. The one that we're going to do is we're going to pick the one that is the complete registration. So the complete registration one is the one that is going to detect that they have registered on the form and have made it to that thank you page. So we're going to, they're going to automatically put this on the thank you page. So we're going to take this and it's going to give you right here, this code. And we're just going to go back here and we're going to edit this area and we're going to paste this code like this. It should save everything completely. And now there is a script here and there is a script here. This is what you're going to be needing to do in order to track that someone has read your page and that someone has successfully registered. It does take several minutes for this to propagate on the website so that everybody will see it. But other than that, let's just see if we could wait here so I can kind of show you how this works. Now that I'm here on the site and I've turned my ad blocker off, we can actually see on here that there is the pixel. This is the one that I have installed, as you can remember, as you can see. You can even match the ID here. And you can see that it is Johnny Builderall's pixel that is installed on this specific page. If you're going to use the Facebook Pixel Helper, will help you in actually detecting this. You can install this from the Google Chrome extension area. And then I'm going to build my free website now. As you can see on this page, there is going to detect if I click the button. And as I reach this page, if we go up here, you can see that the complete registration has also been registered. So throughout the entire funnel, you can see how we have installed it on that main page, and then it detected all the way through for me getting to the complete registration area where I know it now knows that I have registered on the site and have become a lead of mine. So that is how you would install the Facebook Pixel on your affiliate funnel. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day.